Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the revolutionary world of digital marketing, where every click and every view can turn into a potential sale or lead. First up, Facebook. It's not just for sharing memes and vacation pics anymore. For marketers, Facebook is a goldmine for targeted advertising. With its detailed user data, you can pinpoint your audience based on interests, demographics, and even behaviors. Imagine showing your ad to someone who's been searching for exactly what you're offering. Moving on to Instagram, it's all about visuals. Here, a stunning image or a slick video can be your ticket to engagement. But remember, it's not just about looking good. Use Instagram's various features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV to create a narrative around your product or service, making it irresistible to scroll past. Then there's YouTube, the behemoth of video marketing. On YouTube, longer content can thrive, giving you a platform to dive deep into product reviews, tutorials, and more. SEO plays a big role here too. Just by optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can reach a wider audience than you ever thought possible. Now, let's not forget about the classic, email marketing. It might seem old school, but it's far from obsolete. Email allows you to reach your audience directly in their inboxes, with personalized messages that can build a relationship over time. Whether it's a newsletter or a special promotion, email marketing provides that direct line to your potential customers. And speaking of SEO, or search engine optimization, it's the silent hero of digital marketing. Through SEO, you make sure your site or content climbs the ranks of search engine results, making it more likely that potential customers will click on your site first. It's a complex, ever-evolving field that involves keywords, backlinks, and quality content. So there you have it. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, email marketing, and SEO. Each plays a unique role in the digital marketing landscape, and mastering them can truly unlock new opportunities for your business. Whether you're looking to increase sales, boost your brand's visibility, or engage with customers on a deeper level, these tools are crucial in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and let's make your digital marketing strategy unbeatable.